Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. Pisces, if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity in your circumstances, you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with these cards here. We have 3 of Suns, 7 of Moons, and 5 of Suns in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are confused about something. Something is not going right. Maybe you do not see clarity in certain things, and you have a lot of plans for your future, maybe plans for your career or plans for your personal life, and you are wrapping your head too much on those dreams and plans, but you are not going for action or efforts. That is the reason you are feeling really confused. You doubt your future, so some kind of anxiety in your circumstances. And today, you have good things coming to you in your work circumstances, guys. You feel that there are people who can help you today. Maybe if you have someone you can trust, you need to listen to them. And though you are lacking clarity in certain things, there are people giving you support and guidance at each and every step. So if you have such people you can trust, you can go for their help, ask their suggestions. So you will have that clarity, or you will have clarity about what needs to be done today. And maybe in your circumstances, maybe in this relationship, you are facing some doubts, confusion, or some problems. Maybe this person is arguing with you on certain things. So you need to, what to say, be aware of all the beautiful things that you have, maybe all that blessings, and maybe all the good things that are there in this relationship. If you are thinking too much, if you are focusing too much on all the negative aspects of this connection, it is simply going to ruin the way things are. It's going to make your situation even more worse. So you need to focus on all the good things that you shared, maybe the happiness, joy, and whatever happy moments you had together. That is going to change the way you see this connection, or it may be their energy. So they need to focus more on the good aspects of this relationship, Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Empress in reverse. So with this card, maybe this may be their energy towards you or your energy towards them. Maybe you're too obsessed with this person, or they are too obsessed with you. That may be the reason for troubles. Or for some of you, this person is interested in someone else. Maybe they are thinking of someone else, and they are not interested in you anymore. That may be the reason for the way things are going. They are trying to find faults with you, and there are a lot of arguments or stressful circumstances. So, there may be a third person involved, the main reason for troubles in this relationship. So, let's see what is the card for your career situation, Pisces. We have Six of Moons in reverse. So, with this card, it just means that in your career situation, you need to let go of all that past failures or whatever went wrong. Brooding over the past is not going to help you in any way. So, if you want to change, you must look forward to your future and plan for your future. That is going to help you today. So, that is the reading for you all today, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card for those who chose this card. So it is a Crystal Spirits card, guys, and it says Solar Light. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today, in your circumstances, you are healing from some circumstance you have been through. And healing does not mean that you need to be perfect, but you must be aware of the truth that you are a divine being and you're always connected to the universe or God or that higher spirit, whatever you call it. And that higher spirit or that conscious universe wants always the best for you. And you need to understand that when you know that you have that divine link, that unbreakable bond with that higher power, you will see your circumstance from a higher perspective, and you will not go back to your old patterns, whatever you wanted to move away from, guys. So that higher spirit can guide you where you need to be today. Maybe if you do not know what should be your next decision, maybe you are deciding something and you are not clear about those choices, you just need to meditate, be silent for some time, and you will get that answer you need. And you must always be present, be aware of your actions, be aware of your circumstances. When you do that, you will create your own future, whatever you wish for, and you will move towards your dreams and goals, whatever that may be. And it boosts your self confidence and inner strength to hold on to whatever dreams or goals or uh, whatever we want to do. So, those intentions, positive intentions. So, you will have that courage to hold on to all those positive intentions and your goals or aspirations, whatever it is. And this crystal uh, card is about that, guys. It is about non attachment in any circumstance, and seeing your circumstance from a higher perspective. So you will make the right choice without a speck of selfishness, and you are going to make that from a higher ground, feeling really balanced and peaceful at heart. So, when you make such decisions, you will never go wrong. So, that is the energy here with this card, guys. So, let's see what is the second card for you all. We will see the second card. So, for those who chose this card, Snow White, purity. So, with this card, it just means that maybe in your circumstances, you have faced a lot. Maybe you have seen so much evil. You have seen people rejecting you or people really envious of you. But whatever bad things you have seen till now, it's not been enough to change you, because you are someone pure hearted, you are a pure soul, uncorrupted. And that is the beauty of your character. And maybe today your that beauty is going to shine. And even when others try to harm you and they are really bitter to you and they consider you as their rival, however they are towards you, you never reciprocate that. You never take revenge on those people. You just see evil, but you do not go for those what to say toxic feelings. You are someone pure hearted, and you're going to come out of these tests successfully, and your kindness will be rewarded. There will be trying times you are seeing today, maybe some challenges in your work or even in your relationship, but you are going to win, and you are someone really loving, caring, trustworthy person. And all that evil, whatever you faced, has not touched your heart. And you are a very pure soul. That is the energy with this card, guys. And you are good to everyone, and that goodness is coming back to you multifold, guys. And your kindness will always be rewarded. So you need not feel that you are really kind and compassionate, but people are not like that towards you. They are showing their angry side to you. You need not worry about all that, because with this card I see that your good nature is going to be rewarded today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.